and welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and I started Oui Maman back in March 2019. I was on maternity leave and I really needed a creative outlet to stop me from just sitting on the sofa and watching TV all day with a newborn. I started watching YouTube videos on motherhood and I thought maybe starting my own channel would be a great way to document my brand new baby's journey. I did my first introduction video and some first baby updates, and from there I definitely caught the YouTube bug. I have definitely enjoyed filming a variety of videos and I have stuck with it now for almost 2 years. So a little bit about me. I was born in South Wales. I moved to the heart of Wales in the middle of nowhere where I met my future husband. We got married, we had our little baby. We decided to move 3 hours away down to the Cotswolds for my husband's new job. As I mentioned, I am married to my husband Matthew. He does appear in the occasional vlog. He is just starting to get used to me filming around him and he definitely likes to make fun of me for it. Matthew is French, so we are trying to teach our children to be bilingual. I am mummy to a little boy called Didier. We call him Dids for short, and during the pandemic I gave birth to a little baby girl called Nina. She is now 3 months old and I absolutely love having 2 under 2. My favourite kind of content to make is the vlogs. One of the main reasons that I started this channel. I love vlogging our adventures, even if it's just a quick walk to the park. It might not be much to some, but these little memories I love to watch back on. So I do mostly film vlogs and the occasional sit down video. Here on my channel you can find lots of motherhood videos ranging from baby updates, pregnancy updates, and also videos of us exploring the beautiful countryside of the Cotswolds where we now live. You can also find speed cleans and get it all done videos, and even some lifestyle videos thrown in, and videos such as Amazon favourites. I really hope that my videos maybe help in some way. I try to be positive. This is just my little journey that I share with my family, and it's definitely a place where we love coming back to re-watch our memories. So thank you for being here, thank you for watching. It means the world to me that you are even here watching them. I post videos every Tuesday and Thursday and then every other Sunday. Definitely come and say hello down in the comments. I love knowing that I'm not alone when it comes to motherhood. It really helps me not get overwhelmed. I really hope you stick around to enjoy my channel. Bye!